The health benefits and uses of guava leaves. Guava fruits are well known for their nutritional health benefits, but did you know that the leaves of the guava plants are also very healthy for the human body? Guava leaves and roots are used as a natural medicine and are used to make herbal teas, capsule supplements and health powders. In today's video, we will explore 22 facts and benefits of guava leaves and explain how to use these at home. 1. Diarrhea. The most common use for guava leaves is treating digestive problems such as diarrhea, dysentery, gastric pain and bloating. Studies show that natural compounds in guava leaves help to kill harmful bacteria which may be upsetting the stomach. 2. Digestion. Drinking guava leaf tea helps the stomach to digest foods more effectively, as it stimulates the production of digestive enzymes. This can be used to soothe stomach aches and pains, especially after bouts of food poisoning or vomiting. The antibacterial agents in the leaves help to kill harmful bacteria in the lining of the gut. 3. Weight loss. Guava leaves contain many natural plant chemicals which aid weight loss. These include polyphenols, flavonoids and carotenoids, which help to slow complex carbs from turning into sugars, promoting fast weight loss. Drink the guava leaf tea daily to enjoy these benefits. 4. Blood sugars. In Japan, guava leaves are used to help those suffering with diabetes or high blood sugar. The natural compounds found in guava leaf tea help to regulate blood sugar levels after meals. These work by inhibiting absorption of sucrose and maltose sugars into the blood. Guava leaves block certain enzymes which convert carbohydrates into sugars, helping to keep blood sugars under control. 5. Hair growth. Guava leaf tea can be used as a natural hair rinse to improve hair growth. Simply boil a liter of water with a handful of guava leaves. Allow this to cool and then rinse through the hair after using your regular shampoo. Its natural chemicals help to destroy fungus on the scalp, which lowers the risk of hair loss. 6. Breathing. This tea is helpful for those who suffer with bronchitis, asthma and other breathing difficulties. It helps to lower inflammation in the lungs and open up the breathing passages, soothing coughs and loosening mucus. 7. Brain health. The leaves contain vitamin B3 and B6, which help to improve blood circulation to the brain. This stimulates cognitive function and helps the nerves to communicate through the body. B vitamins are essential for mental focus and improves concentration. 8. Menstrual health. A study of over 197 women showed that guava leaf extract can be used to reduce pain during a period of menstruation. Herbal remedies like this are effective natural pain relievers due to their high contents of anti-inflammatory compounds like vitamin C. 9. Blood pressure. Guava leaf powder and tea is used to help control blood pressure. Its anti-inflammatory properties help the blood to flow freely in the body. Drinking the tea can also help to maintain healthy cholesterol levels and protect the heart and cardiovascular system. 10. Fights cancer. Due to the high quantities of lycopene in guava leaves, they may be helpful in lowering the risk of cancer, especially breast, prostate and oral cancers. Lycopene is a carotenoid which helps to prevent oxidative damage to DNA, proteins and lipids. 11. Immune support. If you suffer with seasonal colds often and viruses such as the flu, then guava leaves can help. Taking a daily tablet supplement can help to strengthen the immune system as it contains lots of vitamin C and iron. This can strengthen the respiratory tract against infections, including the sinus, throat and lungs. 12. Skin problems. If you suffer with skin irritations such as acne, blackheads, rosacea or dermatitis, then guava leaves can help. Simply mash the leaves into a fine paste using a pestle and mortar. Apply this to the affected area of skin as a natural mask. The vitamin C and healing compounds in the leaves reduce inflammation in the skin and clear up skin problems. 13. Skin health. Guava leaves have astringent properties and can be used to tighten large pores on the face and neck. Apply guava leaf paste directly to the face to help even out skin tone and create glowing, youthful looking skin. 14. Oral health. Grind and mash the leaves into a paste and use this as a natural toothpaste. This contains antibacterial properties which help to treat mild toothaches, swollen gums and mouth ulcers. You can also simply chew on the leaves to soothe pain and inflammation in the mouth. 15. Sleep. B vitamins and other compounds found in the leaves help to relax the nervous system and help you to get better sleep at night. Simply drink a cup of guava leaf tea an hour before bedtime. This will help relax your body and mind, ready for a relaxing night's sleep. 16. Stress. Getting more high-quality sleep by consuming herbal teas helps to reduce stress hormones in the body, such as cortisol and adrenaline. This helps you to feel calmer and more relaxed through the day, which in turn strengthens your immune system and vitality. 17. Allergies. Drinking guava leaf tea also helps to block histamines from being released. This is effectively a natural antihistamine and can reduce all types of allergic reactions. 18. Sperm production. Consumption of guava leaf tea has been shown to increase sperm production in men. This can be very helpful when trying to conceive a child. The natural compounds in the leaves have an effect on balancing hormones and helping to produce the correct levels of testosterone. 19. Osteoarthritis. Early studies show that consuming guava leaf extract can help to prevent cartilage destruction. Currently, more research is required. However, herbal leaves like this contain antioxidants which can help to protect the joints and bones. 20. Origins. Guavas originally came from Mexico and Central America, but are now grown all around the world in warm climates, including Asia and Africa. With modern trade routes, these are exported around the world so that people can enjoy their benefits worldwide. 21. How to use guava leaves. The young leaves can be taken directly from the tree and steeped into a cup of hot water. Strain this to remove any floating particles and drink on an empty stomach for the best medicinal effects. You can make larger batches of this and allow it to cool for later use. This is usually consumed 3 times a day and works best on an empty stomach. You can also purchase guava leaf extract in capsule or powdered form online or in health food stores. 22. Guava fruit. The fruit of this tree also has similar health benefits to its leaves, however the leaves are more concentrated. Guavas are delicious and taste like a combination of strawberry, pear and mango. Some varieties are very sweet and have subtle differences in flavour. They come in different shapes and sizes, and each variety has a different shade of flesh within. The skin and seeds are safe to eat and contain concentrated flavonoids which improve the health of the overall body. As you can see, guava leaves are an easy to use natural remedy and have many different health applications to use at home. To learn more about natural medicines and nutrition, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth and happiness.